My friend menang battle. Jadi hari ni kita nak review honestly, tak nak bias-bias untuk makanan dekat Rembayu. I akan reveal harga dekat hujung because honestly we were shocked. Tapi I'm not complaining. The first one, cucuk udang. Yang ni memang life changing weh. Kau tengok muka aku macam nak baran weh. Sedap weh. Next, ais kosong. Oh, yang ni pun rasa lain macam.
And this one is the bunga telang one. This one tasted a bit like lassi yogurt macam tu. So if you don't like cheese, you might not enjoy this one.
Then came the main dishes. So basically kita orang tengok dekat Threads apa yang orang recommend, kita orang ambil semua. By the way, review ni adalah berdasarkan orang yang memang tak tahan pedas. And this one was the kuah salai. It was so good, tapi dia memang sangat-sangat pedas. Lepas tu sayur lemak putih. So this one, dia tak pedas langsung and it balances all the pedas flavors that you have. Udang dia pula, my friends cakap it's sweet. Tapi for me, it's quite spicy. So it depends on your spice tolerance lah. And then all the staff pun peramah. Dia kata nanti bulan puasa akan ada something. So aku tunggu lah. I akan bagi rating per dish at the end. Then came the dessert. So this is the tapai ice cream. As a person yang memang tak suka tapai, this was surprisingly so good for me. Macam tak manis sangat. And overall, here are all my ratings. Would I go again for cucuk udang? Yes, 100%. Untuk jumpa Khairul Aming? Yes, 100%. Tapi kalau solely for the food, I will mostly only crave the cucuk udang. So total semua kita orang makan 5 orang, RM364. No complaints, we had a great experience. And sumpah aku boleh move on daripada cucuk udang tu.